Hey, let's go. Welcome back to another video. What up, what up? Hope everyone's doing well. Apologies for the hair. It's kind of slightly looking all kinds of fucked up. I tried to just tie it back because I haven't had a retwist in like fucking, I think it's like been three and a half months or so. So my hair is kind of getting a little messy, but it's alright. It's not too bad. I'm probably gonna get a retwist, and I'm tempted to probably dye some of the tips. Let me see if the camera can pick it up a little closer there. I might dye the tips, yeah. Coming into 2023. I figured it would be a little cool experiment of giving my hair like proper time to grow. For those of you who may not know, I got these done in 2019, and I got them like really short, so my hair doesn't grow like super fast, but it grows like fast enough now to the point that they're proper matured. But yeah, I'm gonna probably do the tips, and if I end up getting the tips dyed, y'all will be able to see that, and then I'll get a retwist and do a tape up as well to the sides. Because again, that's another thing about having high top dread set, as you always have to fucking get the taper done. Because if you don't get the taper done on the side, your hair gets like super long. Like look right now, my hair on my sides is like this long. Look at it. I don't know if the camera's picking it up in the light properly, but it's like, this could be like short dreads on its own. Yeah, how long is it? Almost as long as my finger. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, it's kind of as long as my finger, the sides. But yeah, hope you guys have been doing well. Hope this video finds you well. I always get this shit mixed up, but I'm getting more like comfortable in front of the camera, so I hope you guys are noticing that. I hope it's also reflecting in my gaming content. I'm getting a lot more used to just having the camera in front of me, and now like anytime in a closed location, I'm now used to staring at the tripod. Again, I had that little factor where I was kind of weirded out when I don't have someone else holding the camera. It's kind of weird talking into a camera, but you know, we're all weirdos, so we get used to it. But yeah, hope this video finds you well. I hope 2023 will treat you well. Let me know in the comments your aspirations, your plans for 2023, and it doesn't have to be, you know, the cheesy New Year's resolutions type shit, because like I've said in a previous video before, I don't really believe in setting New Year's resolutions. I don't believe in that shit. I believe in setting like short-term goals that you're trying to achieve, and you just tick off those goals as they come. Whether they come like at the beginning of the year, in the middle of the year, wherever the fuck they come through, you can just like set a target and be like, alright, cool, I'm gonna tick this off. Alright, cool, I'm gonna tick this off. And so whether that target takes you 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, fucking 2 weeks, whatever the fuck it is, you just set those targets and you sort of just tick them off, and you get to them and you get them done slowly by slowly, and you get to fix the bigger picture. So that's why I say I'm not necessarily, you know, for New Year's resolutions, because I feel like New Year's resolutions sort of like give you an excuse to be like, oh, new year, new me, all that other bullshit. And you'd be like, oh, like in 2024, I'm gonna get this done or whatever. But short-term targets seem to work better in terms of achieving a bigger goal. But yeah, let me know in the comments what sort of targets you guys are setting, your expectations for 2023. How did 2022 go for you? Was it a dope year? Was it a bad year? Let me know in the comments. As always, I want to engage. I want to speak to people. I want to build this community. I want to be able to learn more about people, and people can learn about me, and I can actually give my own breakdown of 2022. 2022 was a bit of a rough year. Had its ups and downs. It was really down like at the beginning, and then I had a good run in the summer. The summer was like super fun, super blessed. Everything was going according to plan. And then boom, like kind of like September, October, things kind of dipped again, and it wasn't really going according to plan. But now I feel like I'm back on track. I'm refreshed. Everything is, you know, focused and ready to go, and hence why when December came and I decided, you know what, let me actually start doing these sort of let me not say one-on-one, because it's not really like a fucking one-on-one. It's just a discussion type videos to be able to add to the content, so I can sort of journal and diary and like teach myself things that I also want to learn, or just like speak them out into existence, and like also speak to, you know, the camera, speak to you, so I can actually go back and look at the film and be like, oh, I'm not upholding by some of like the advice I was sort of giving myself and giving other people and that kind of thing. But yeah, as always, I hope you guys have a dope ass day. I hope 2023 treats you well, you know, going forward. I hope you're able to achieve the goals that you're setting out to achieve, whatever that may be. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay dangerous, stay blessed. 3-finger salute. Peace out.